Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make very beautiful hairstyles. First, let's talk about preparation, which is key for any stunning look. Always begin with hair that is freshly washed and completely dry. Before applying any heat, remember to use a good quality heat protectant spray, covering all strands from root to tip. This simple step safeguards your hair from damage. Finally, ensure your hair is fully detangled and sectioned into 4 to 6 parts for easier styling. Now, let's add some gorgeous volume and texture. For incredible root lift, use a medium-sized round brush while blow-drying, pulling hair upwards. To achieve soft, flowing waves, wrap 1-inch sections of hair around a curling iron, holding for about 10 seconds. Alternatively, a flat iron can also create beautiful bends. For extra oomph, gently backcomb small sections at your crown. Finish with a light mist of texturizing spray for effortless body and hold. With your base ready, it's time for the finishing touches that elevate your style. If you're creating an updo, use bobby pins that blend seamlessly with your hair color for an invisible hold. To tame any pesky flyaways, a small amount of light hold hairspray or a smoothing serum works wonders. Consider adding a beautiful accessory, like a delicate clip or an elegant headband, to personalize your look. Always take a moment to check your hairstyle from every angle in a mirror. To keep your beautiful hairstyle looking fresh for longer, a few simple maintenance tips are essential. Sleeping on a silk pillowcase can significantly reduce friction and prevent frizz, helping your style last an extra day or two. On non-wash days, a quick spray of dry shampoo at the roots can absorb oil and add volume, revitalizing your look. Try to avoid touching your hair too much, as this can transfer oils and break down the style. Proper care ensures your effort lasts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.